sitting here, we're talking about business. And in a way, we're talking about business because we want to make a lot of money. Again, but when I say I want to be super rich and a billionaire, then there are questions. It's not because of money. I already have millions. I have a lot of money. It's about to be a billionaire to that level, you would have to do something very big at a world level. For example, one of the businesses I do, EV, electrical vehicles, for example. So electrical vehicles, they're making a big change in the environment. So for example, earlier I said we're launching a bike which is electric bike, and we will replace all the delivery bikes in the world. So to be at that level, you have to do huge projects which have big impact on the world level. So what I really want to do, I want to have impact. So for example, last year and a half I spent in Pakistan. We started, many businesses, hundreds of businesses. There are 15,000 people who work with us. There are so many CEOs we created. There are families who were poor. Now they are making millions and then they are living happy lives. So that's what gives me happiness. But if I really want to be on focus, and if it's a number, it's easier to focus. So that's why I say, yes, I want to be, one of the richest guy in the world. But why I want to be richest guy of the world? So that I can impact. People can get something from me. They can start their business. They can start their earning source. They can have jobs, etc., etc. So that's my real purpose. So similarly, if you're looking to do something, be focused. I want to make $1 million by the end of the year, for example. Or I want to teach 100 people, or I want to help 100,000 people. So that way, when there's a number attached and you focus on it, automatically what you have to do, how you have to plan your business or your activities, it comes to you. And then it's really, really